Hey folks, and welcome. In the following video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the footers area within the Leon theme. So if you go to Flothemes and you go to footer, this is where you'll be able to set up the global footer layout for your theme. And you'll have three different footer styles to choose from: type A, type B, type C. And depending on which one you choose, you will get the preview image here to explain what's inside it. So type A has the Instagram feed, the menu at the bottom, and then the bottom area here for your actual tagline and some of the social icons. Type B has the left and right area. The right area will be for the social feed, and the left area for your logo and your also social icons, and a menu at the bottom as well, and your copyright here on the left side. And type C, again, very similar. Instagram feed, some text and details on the right side, the copyright area, and the social icons. So if we go to type A, for example, we use that as the option, we can display the Instagram feed here. Now that will only be applicable if you've installed the Flow Instagram plugin, so make sure that it's installed prior to this. Do you want the icon in the middle? So for here, this Instagram icon, yes, and then also the label as well. And you can have two options. You can use the Instagram plugin or the upload images to your site as well. If you choose the Instagram plugin, it will automatically pull those Instagram images from your feed. And if you choose to upload images, you can just upload the images here directly and up to a number of 5. Then we'll go to part B. Do you want to display the menu area logo, and the menu area menu as well? So if you turn this off, you won't have the menu at the bottom of the footer. If you turn it on, then of course you'll have the logo and the menu that you can add there also. And you can choose the menu that you want to display, and also if you want the back to top button also. Then you'll have part C, the copyright footer and the copyright notice. You'll be able to put in your copyright here, and of course you can enable social links. Type B, very similar again. Do you want the logo, the subscription area? If so, add the placeholder fields for that as well, and the button title. You will then embed your MailChimp code. So here you should paste in the MailChimp script. Then you can enable the social links. And then on the right side, if you want to display the right side, you enable this option as well. Then you can add the image, the Instagram icon if you want it over the image. The link for that particular image, again, this doesn't have to be necessarily Instagram. It can be anything else, like a link to a blog post or a page or external publication. Then you also have the option for the menu. If you enable this, then you can select the menu, and then you will always have the copyright notice, which you should add here as well. Finally, there's type C, again, left and right area. You can choose the colors for this as well. If you wanted to update the colors, you can enable the selector for that. Display the left area, yes. You can add the image, then the pre-title, the title. You can display the icon as well, and then the link, the URL. Then on the right area, you will have the option to add a title. So again, if this is going to be Instagram or any title, it can literally be anything. You can have a little bit of text. So again, this could be a little bit about you, for example, some text about you, your location, which is quite good for SEO. You can then have pre-title link as well. You can add a user ID if you are using the Instagram, and the link to your Instagram. But again, just know that this can be used for anything. It can be linked to Facebook. It can be linked to any of your social feeds. It can be linked to a featured post. And then, of course, the copyright notice. And finally, you'll have the logo, social icons, and the back to top arrow. And that's it, folks, for the footer area. Just choose which one you want, enable the options that you need, and just hit update when you're ready, and that will be applied globally to the site whenever you add a footer placeholder block to your pages.